Hey guys, it's summer, time to put the top down on the 181s. I already have a video about that, but this video is about how to install the plastic protectors that go on the frame to protect the passengers and eventually to protect the boot. I'm gonna make a video about the boot too. So they have a plastic part, they have a notch that indexes back here, right? There's a place where this notch indexes, and they have a belt and they have a buckle, right? So these are 181 specific parts, and this is how they go on, right? So you put it on and make sure that the notch indexes on the place that it goes, right? As you can see, it pretty much indexes exactly where it needs to go. And then the belt goes on top, right? Always on top. And then it goes through the bottom, like that. And then the buckle has a forward and a reverse. The first step is to put it through the forward and pull it down. It's got some teeth here that actually help it hold. Now, if you can see back here, the reverse has a way to put the belt all the way through to the buckle and through the buckle in the belt that holds the strap. And there you have them. When it's time to take them off, you pull it right here. And if you try to pull these, it's not gonna let you because it's got teeth. So you do that, it releases the pressure, you're off, and off it goes. So there you go. That's how we install the protectors for the roof frame on a 181. Thank you.